First of all,
any guy to my kids if I want that.
See,
You don't
just
have a
because
say
you were
into
a
it.
hoe and going on
So
Tinder,
I'm a hoe.
yes,
So you're
yes,
trying
you
to
are.
get disrespectful right now?
Just because you're a hoe going on Tinder,
All
meeting
I'm saying,
every guy that you fucking
don't
see, right?
start with your bullshit in the game in front of the public.
It doesn't mean that you should bring those nasty, dirty guys around my kid.
Nasty, this fucking Tinder thing, you've been so fucking
Yeah,
disrespectful
'cause
with
you're a
me.
hoe.
And I
That's-
haven't even done shit. But you know
You are, 'cause
what?
you're a hoe.
I'm fucking tired of this treatment.
Why the fuck
That's
would you
why
do that,
Justin
Phoebe?
is coming to. You excited for Jack's game?
I actually am. Like, I literally called off for work, too.
Yeah, me too.
For work?
I invited Justin to go, and he's coming. You know, he paid for his ticket already.
No, the fuck he's
Fuck
not.
are you talking this way about Justin? You know, he's a great fucking guy. I met him through Tinder.
Listen,
You know?
when I start dating girls, I won't bring them around our kid.